Hello, I'm Wendy from the Council's Library Service. Derbyshire libraries have a huge range of free online resources available any time of day, including e-books and e-audiobooks, e-magazines and e-newspapers. You can find information and activities for the whole family on our social media. And we're doing all we can over the phone and by email to help people learn how to do more things online. So if you've got a question about our services, if you've got a general inquiry or want to find out how to do things digital, our Library Information Service team can help. So please get in touch, find out how we can make a difference and support you.